Hey everyone, today I'm going to answer a very common question. Can you go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers? So stick around till the end to find out if it's possible and what steps you can take to go live. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you are signed into your account. Now click on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you're on your profile page, click on three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu that appear, click on Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, scroll all the way down until you find the option labeled as Report a Problem. Click on it, and you will land on screen like this. Now scroll down, and at the bottom, you will find the option of Chat with us. Click on it, and the chat window will open up. Now, in this chat, write something similar to Hello TikTok team, I cannot access the TikTok live features. Could you please enable it for my account? So once you've entered your request, click on submit button and your request will now be sent to the TikTok support team. TikTok typical response within 24 to 72 hours, and if they approve your request, you will be able to go live without meeting the follower requirement. However, if they deny it, you will need to grow your account to at least 1,000 followers. So that's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.